Hi everyone, this is Massimo. As you may have noticed, we moved into a new house, a lot of stuff to do. I was building furniture till yesterday basically. Doing so, I noticed that we missed a lampshade and I decided to give it a try with the Prusa i3 to get the vase mold. So it just basically brings the outside of a shape without doing the infill, so it's much faster. But just to give it a try to do something very light. So we start model it directly, taking some measurements. So let's get started. Okay, so the modeling is done. I remove now the 3D printing. I did two shapes. One is a small one just to see the effect, if I can get the shapes I want. And then I will 3D print the bigger one because it takes like 5 hours. I already saw on the program. So let's go with the 3D printing and then we will see. So both the prints came out really well. The only problem is that I measured the entrance of the bulb for a smaller, so now I probably have to cut it. I fixed it on the lamp. The only thing is that I can see through the material and where the 3D printer did more material, less material, so you see the transparency. So I will probably paint it. I will probably change all the assembly of the lamp and I will probably paint it in black. I still don't know how it will look in the end. Yeah, we will see. So this is the final look of the printed parts, and the assembled version could be better finished, but I'm really happy with it. Hope you like these videos. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe if you like. See you guys at the next time for another design project.